Connecting your Namecheap domain to System.io is a simple process. Follow these steps. Log into Namecheap. Start by logging into your Namecheap account and navigating to the domain list section. Select your domain. Locate the domain you want to connect and click the Manage button next to it. Update DNS settings. Scroll down to the name server section. Choose Custom DNS and enter the name servers provided by System.io. Typically these are the following. Save changes. Click the green check mark to save your changes. It may take some time for these changes to propagate. Log into System.io. Next, log into your System.io account. Navigate to the settings and then select Domains. Add your domain. Click Add a new domain. Enter your Namecheap domain and follow the prompts. Verify ownership. System.io may require you to verify domain ownership. Follow their instructions, which may include adding a TXT record in Namecheap. Finalize setup. Once verified, your Namecheap domain will be connected to System.io and you can start using it for your funnels and pages.